Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can crop video in Filmora. If you want to cut out to make your video look more fun and sharper, this video is for you. So first, open the Filmora app and select the video you want to crop. After selecting the video, you'll see many options on the bottom, but simply go ahead and tap on the video you have selected. Then many options will pop up on the bottom of your screen. Simply search for an option called crop, then tap on it. Here you can either crop according to the aspect ratios or simply by zooming in and out. After you have cropped your video, tap on the tick button on the top right corner of the screen, and that's it. Now your video has been cropped and is ready to be edited again. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.